Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to introduce the Hole Wizard tool in SOLIDWORKS. This is a great tool if you have the need for screw holes in your designs. To get to the Hole Wizard tool, you're just going to go up in the Features menu and select Hole Wizard. Now once you're in Hole Wizard, it's going to give you a lot of options. First is hole type. There's counterbore, countersink. There's a basic hole. There's a straight tap, a tapered tap, a legacy, and then there's also counterbore, countersink, and slots. You can also select the standard for the screw hole that you need. There's a ton of options out there. One popular standard is ISO. Another popular one is the ANSI inch and ANSI metric. We're going to leave ours as ANSI inch today. You can also select the screw type. You can select the size here. In this case, it's given by numbers, and then you get down to some sizes in regards to inches. And then you can also choose the fit, which this is going to specify kind of the tolerancing of the hole. If you want a close fit, you would select close. Normal would be kind of normal tolerancing, and loose would be like very loose, like the screw is going to be loose in the hole, but it will fit. And then there's an end condition that you can specify. Usually we use through all for screw holes, but sometimes you may not want to go all the way through the part. So you can select blind or offset, just like you would for any extrudes. In this case, we're going to leave it as through all. There's also an options toolbar which gives you a whole bunch of bonus options you can use, such as the head clearance. And if you want to add any countersinks, you can add that here. For our holes today, I'm going to leave the near side countersink enabled with the default settings. And then there is a additional tolerancing toolbar that you can use if you want to adjust the tolerancing. But for the most part, you're not going to need to use that toolbar. Now let's add our screw holes. To do that, we're going to first select our standard as ANSI inch. Our hole type, I'm going to use the straight tap, which is going to give us a type of bottoming tapped hole by default. For the size, I'm going to go with a 2-56. My end condition, as I said before, is going to be through all. I am going to have a near side countersink. Because we changed the type, it changed some of the dimensioning, but we're going to leave it as the default. And we're going to leave the tolerancing by default as well. So now we're ready to make our holes. We're going to first click the green check, and SOLIDWORKS is going to say, hold on, you need to select a point on the face to locate the hole. This is normal, and what you're going to do is click OK, and now it's going to let you select the face where you want to add the screw holes. I'm going to just add them right to the top. And I'm going to add a few screw holes. In this case, I'm going to add 4 to this top corner. And then I'm going to add floor in this bottom corner. When you're all done adding your screw holes to your face, you can click the green check again, and it will add your screw holes. And that is it. That is the basics of the Hole Wizard tool in SolidWorks. In our next video, we're going to take a second look at the mirror tool and show you how to use it with a reference plane.